Okay, exercise 814 has the exact same information that we used in 813, except this time we're going to use a perpetual inventory method as opposed to a periodic inventory method. Now, the problem 814 only calls for first in, first out, and average cost, but I'm also going to do the LIFO to show you how that's done. And it is addressed in this chapter, so you'll need to know that sort of thing. All right, so with a perpetual system, we have to keep track as we go. So our inventory on hand, so our August 1 date is going to be the 2,000 units, and at $5.30 each, and that's the same 10,600 we had in the last problem. Okay, then on the 8th, we purchased 8,000 units at $5.50 each. And so that amount came out to be, let's see here, $44,000. And so our balance here, we're going to do an inventory and a cost of goods sold. So our inventory balance here would be 54,600. So far we have no cost of goods sold. Then on the 14th, we sold 6,000 units for $12 each. Now, the sale price does not matter to us when we're keeping track of just the inventory and the cost of goods sold. Obviously, it matters for the revenue and the income statement, but for just the inventory and cost of goods sold, we don't need what the selling price was. But we sold 6,000 units, and so that's going to be all of these 10,000 units. So we're going to have two entries here, 2,000 units at $5.30 each. So that's 10,600. We'll subtract that off. And then we also are going to have, we sold 6,000, so we need another 4,000 here from the 550. And so that's going to be 22,000. And so our inventory balance now will be the 54,600 minus the 10,600 minus the 22,000. And so that gives us 22,000. All right, let's check that. 54,600 minus 10,600 would be 44,600. 4,400 minus 22 is 2,200. So that means our cost of goods sold at this point is going to be the 10,600 plus the 22,000, or 32,600 for that entry. Okay, so then on the 18th, we purchased 6,000 units, and that was for $5.60 each, and that came to a total of 33,600. Okay, so we add that to our inventory, and we get 55,600. 600. Our cost of goods sold does not change. Then on 8/25, we sold 7,000 units. Now, all of these are gone, right? And 4,000 of these are gone because that made our first 6,000 units, these right here. So now we sold 7,000. 4,000 of these are going to come from that at 550. And so that's going to be 22,000. And then you're also going to have, in order to get the 7,000, you're going to have 3,000 of these at 560. And that will be 11,800. All right, so our inventory now will be the 55,600 minus the 22,000 minus the 11,800. So that's going to give us an inventory value of 21,800. Our cost of goods sold will be the 32,600 plus the 22,000 plus the 11,800. That will give us 66,400. All right. And then on the 28th, we purchased 4,000 units. And that's at $5.80 each. And that comes to 23,200. Add that together, we've got 45,000. Is that right? 43, 44, 45,000. And our cost of goods sold does not change. Now, okay. $3,000 units at 560, 60.